Hello and welcome to Teratom's Nexus of Information. If you haven't seen any of our previous videos, please feel free to click on the links on your screen right now. The Nexus allows you to do some amazing things, but one of the greatest features is that it allows you to move tables and databases from one system to another system with a few clicks of a button. And the amazing part is if you move data from an Oracle or SQL server to a Teradata system, the data moves directly to the system, not through your PC. Let's get a glimpse of this. So let's start by moving a single table from an Oracle system to a Teradata system. Right now, we're opening up our Nexus. To the left, we have our system tree with all of our systems inside it. Today, we're going to first open up the Oracle system, then we're going to open up SQL_class, and then tables. Now you're going to right-click on the Oracle table that we desire, which is, let's go with addresses. This brings up a drop-down menu. As you can see in this selection here, you're given the options to move your table to an Azure SQL data warehouse, an SQL server, or a Teradata system. For now, let's move to a Teradata system. We select that option and the Odbc Stream Loader opens up. This is the Odbc Stream Loader window. The top bar of the Odbc Stream Loader has 4 icons. The first button will reset the form of data. The second is the private log icon. It will open up a private log to find out detailed information about what has happened during the loading process. The script directory icon will open up the script directory to change places where the script will be saved. And finally, the last button is the execute button, which will execute the data move. The form of the Odbc Stream Loader is easy to follow. The first thing you need to do is fill in the move data parameters above. The Nexus is going to default to them the next time you move data from an Oracle to a Teradata system. Use the light speed for smaller tables with less than 1 million rows, or use the warp speed for larger tables. If you need an opinion on what to use, click on the question mark here to see the size of the source table and if you should use the light speed or warp speed for the data move. It says use light speed. Alright, I'm trusting you, Nexus. We have the source box here that shows you the database information that you're moving the table from. We are also given the ability to choose what columns and rows are being moved. You select which columns you want to move, or in this case, let's just select them all. You can also add a where clause if you like. For now, let's not use this, but it's good to know. And once you're done doing that, you can click here to inspect the select statement generated by the Nexus. The last part is the target area. We have our system information here, and we have our table info here. This is going to move our table to the SQL sandbox area. The table for now is called addresses, but let's change that to addresses Oracle. And then we can pre-select some options for the final delivery. The working database will be where any load utility log files will be generated. So let's keep that as the SQL sandbox as well. While this form is going to change depending on what system you're going to move the table to, the process is pretty much the same. Just fill out the appropriate boxes, and then when you're done, click execute. The system window pops up, and as you can see, we are starting to move the data. Let's just jump ahead and go back to our Nexus. Alright, let's go to the sandbox in our Teradata system. And look at that, there is our table. We're going to do a quick select on that table just to make sure we have all the information. We're going to hit execute, and there we go. We moved an Oracle table to a Teradata server. Fantastic. However, there is still more you can do. In our next video, we're going to show you how to move an entire database to a new system. You excited?